Institutions looking to get into the crypto space face a big decision: which exchange is the right partner? You've probably heard of Kraken. It's a major player, but when you're talking about institutional level capital and services, is it really worth it? Kraken for institutions is more than just a trading platform. It's a suite of services designed for large-scale operations. It goes beyond the basic buy and sell functionality and offers a comprehensive ecosystem. This includes everything from deep liquidity and a regulated futures market to dedicated custody and over-the-counter, or OTC, trading. One of the biggest selling points is its reputation for security. In an industry with a shaky past, Kraken has been around since 2011 and has never had a major hack that resulted in the loss of customer funds. They've built trust through measures like proof of reserves, robust cold storage, and a strong regulatory compliance record across multiple jurisdictions. For an institution, this security is non-negotiable. Let's talk about the key features that make Kraken a strong contender. First, the deep liquidity. This means large orders can be executed with minimal slippage, which is crucial for institutional traders. They also offer a variety of services under their Kraken institutional umbrella, including spot trading, regulated crypto futures, and a qualified custody solution. This makes it a one-stop shop for managing and trading digital assets. Another major benefit is their OTC desk. For institutions needing to execute large trades without impacting the market, this white-glove service is essential. It's a private, secure way to handle significant volume. They also offer institutional staking, allowing you to earn rewards on your assets. So, is it worth it? If your institution is looking for a comprehensive, secure, and regulated platform with deep liquidity and a proven track record, the answer is a definite yes. Kraken's institutional offerings are built to handle the unique needs of serious crypto enterprises. They prioritize security, compliance, and a full-service experience that many other exchanges just can't match. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.